Here's how to avoid and reverse it.
Avoid the brain decline that can be caused by the over-reliance on AI. New studies show the brain and cognitive function can decline with the overuse of artificial intelligence tools, such as ChatGPT. Learn how to combine and blend photo reading accelerated learning with AI to enhance left and right brain activation, memory, critical thinking, creativity, and focus. Go to www.transformationstm.com/photo reading for further information and to book your online on-demand or in-person place. Photo reading is also based on principles from the work of Albert Einstein, and the 5-step photo reading whole mind system expertly guides you in how to tap into your genius potential.
Learn this powerful advanced reading and learning technique using photo reading. Like Neo plugging into the Matrix, you will learn how to photo read at 25,000 words per minute with ease. Improve your critical thinking and decision-making skills and enjoy the feelings of excitement, anticipation, creativity, calm, and joy of reading as you blast through information with ease. Learn in person or online. The next in-person photo reading workshop is approaching. Sign up today.
Unlock the magic of books, research, and reading.